Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This will be a tutorial on one way that I achieve a paint cracking effect. For this example, we're going to use a small piece of wall molding that I 3D printed, but almost any type of piece can work. Let's get to it. Alright, we're going to get started with just some normal Elmer's glue. This piece of molding is already painted green, but it is important for you to choose exactly which color you want underneath, as that'll be what shows through with the cracks. We're going to paint it on with a normal brush, either in a thin layer or a thick layer depending on the outcome that you want. The thicker the layer, the bigger the cracks will be. So here, we're just painting on a thin layer to try to keep it in scale with this small molding. You don't need to be precise here. You can put it on thicker in areas and thinner in others, and that'll create some difference in the size of the cracks. As soon as we're done, we go on to the next step. We don't want any of the glue to start drying yet. I like to use an airbrush. You can use a normal brush by hand, but you need to be careful of pushing the glue around underneath. All you want to do is put a nice thin layer of paint on top, so that underneath, as the glue dries, it will expand and crack the top layer of paint. Again, I really like the airbrush for this because it doesn't disturb that bottom layer of glue very much, and it dries almost immediately, so as the glue dries, the paint is already nice and hard, ready to crack. And as you can see, after only a couple minutes, we have a nice little cracking effect on this small molding. Obviously, if you have bigger pieces, try using a thicker layer of glue to keep it in the right scale with your bigger piece. Thanks for watching Abandoned Miniatures. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so I can continue to make more. Also, drop any questions you might have in the comments and I'll do my best to help. See you next time.